The space is that we work in the back of the aircraft is probably the size of this
The
table.
table, right.
And ironically, about the same shape. This being the tail and that being the head.
Mhm.
It's just basically big enough to fit two people, the cot, and the equipment. It's a smaller cot than you'll see in most squads in the way of how high it is off of the deck, how narrow it is.
Our tunnel space from the top of the cot, from the pad to the ceiling, is only 14 inches. So
So they got to fit through.
yeah, so they got to fit through the tunnel.